that's what they're trading.
Trade what?
All those videos.
We have to do something, and we have to do it now.
Who's that?
Tony Fowler. Daddy?
Everyone, I am Justin Cal Garcia from 11 ABM Ayala, and I am the head of the House of Hufflepuff. For today's vlog, I am here to make a film review about the movie Unfriended Dark Web. It is a 2018 horror thriller directed by Stephen Sosko. The movie follows a real-time computer screen narrative, starring Colin Woodell as Mathias, along with Rebecca Rittenhouse, Betty Gabriel, and others. So this film revolves around Mathias, who finds a laptop and unknowingly accesses the dark web, where he stumbles upon disturbing files related to cybercrimes. As he and his friends continue their online game night, they become entangled in a dangerous digital conspiracy. The hackers behind the dark web soon take control of their devices, oh no, forcing them into a terrifying game of survival. So, what are the trends in ICT that are tackled in the film? The movie reflects several ICT trends. Number one is the convergence technology. The film demonstrates how multiple technologies, video calls, messaging, and so on, are interconnected within a single device, making a modern cybercrime easier to execute. Number two is social media and digital footprint. The characters' social media activities expose them to threats. Their personal data, locations, and even real-time actions are tracked by these hackers. Oh my god! For number three is the cloud storage. The stolen laptop contains disturbing files stored in a cloud drive, showcasing the importance of secure cloud storage and the risk of data breaches. So, what are the threats that are shown in the film? The movie illustrates several cybersecurity threats covered in the review. Hacking, unauthorized access. The hackers in the film remotely control devices, steal files, and manipulate the victims, similar to real-world cybercrimes involving malware, keyloggers, and trojans. Number two is identity theft. The film showcased social engineering tactics where hackers impersonate people online to deceive victims. This reflects real-life phishing scams that steal personal data. Number three is cyberstalking and privacy breach. So, the hackers monitor the victims through webcams and social media activity, demonstrating the dangers of cyberstalking. And the importance of privacy settings is very, very important. So last but not the least is the malware and spyware. The film implies the use of hidden software that allows hackers to spy on users, steal their sensitive information, and take control of their devices without detection. So overall, it's very, very, very dangerous. So what are the lessons that I have learned from the film? Is number one, be cautious with unknown devices. We should not steal or get some random laptop without knowing its history, that it led to the film's tragic events, reinforcing the importance of cybersecurity and security online awareness. Last but not the least that I have learned from the movie is beware of the dark web. The film serves as a warning about the dangers of the dark web and how criminals exploit technology for illegal activities. Overall, Unfriended the Dark Web is a terrifying yet eye-opening depiction of modern cyber threats, reminding viewers to be vigilant in their online activities. Okay na yun. One, two, three, go! Bye-bye!
해버려두지 않기로 일더기는 귀요미 이더기는 귀요미 깜빡이 담은